If you test positive for SARS-CoV-2, that's the virus that causes COVID-19, there's probably nothing you'd do about your pregnancy. You certainly wouldn't go and get it terminated. There's no evidence for that at the moment. It looks as though the baby will be fine, but that will become clearer as time goes on. And what you have to do is actually quarantine yourself, actually isolate yourself away from other people. So the system will probably put you in a hospital or an isolation area so that you're away from your family. That could be hard, but you don't want to pass it on to your other kids or to your partner or whatever. So that's kind of what happens. It will be more of a routine thing, but as more and more people get infected, the isolation areas will change in their nature.